RealAgriculture.com's coverage of Agritechnica 2023 in Hanover, Germany is brought to you by Optimum Glide, a new canola trait technology from Corteva Agriscience. Sean Haney here with Real Agriculture. We're at Agritechnica 2023 in Hanover, Germany. We're in the Lemken booth. Our coverage is brought to you by Optimum Glide, a new canola trait technology from Corteva Agriscience. As I mentioned, we're in the Lemken booth and we're joined right now by Frank. Frank, how's it going?
Yeah, everything's all right, thanks.
First Agritechnica, or are you a veteran?
No, I was also at 2019, so yeah, nothing new for me.
You're having a good show?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Well, there's been a lot of attention with iQblue. It did get a silver medal in the Innovation Awards. It's a whole technology platform from Lemken. Talk about some of the things that iQblue does. Give us an overview.
So iQblue is everything at Lemken which depends on the electronic side. So on one side we have our products in the market, and then like you can see here our future products, I would say. Yeah, so all about autonomy and implement automation. And we got the first product from pre-developed that we would now do in a serious product development. It's the iQblue 2 monitoring. We also got a silver medal for that. And what we do have cameras on the implement side. And then we detect wear, and also the loss of the tip, for example. So that's one of the first steps. We want to show that we are working on automation.
So alerting the farmer, okay, tip number 5 is getting worn down, needs to be replaced, needs to be looked at, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're also, one of the things you also told me earlier is that it's constantly collecting data when it comes to the depth that the machine was being used at, correct? Because there's some countries where that there's regulations and that kind of reporting is required.
Yes, they need this data, for the regulation and to get all this stuff, and therefore we got the technique. Yeah, we all have these. So we have for example, the iQblue Connect module. So it's like, I would say, make a dump implement smart. So for the cultivator, you can use it for the depth adjustment with the application map, and for the plows, you just need a plow with the variable weight working with. Right. So it doesn't matter if it is a Lemken one or a different other one. And then we do like GPS plowing, or in Lemken we say guide plowing, and then you can have a straight furrow, or just plow to a target contour. So you don't need a third headland or something like this. So it's pretty smart.
And you mentioned the retrofitting. The possibility, the future behind us here with autonomous tractors. Who knows what when stuff like that actually comes to be a reality. But you mentioned the retrofitting. You could have a tractor that's 10 years old, maybe a not smart tractor, or as I heard one company call it, a dumb tractor turned into a smart tractor.
Yes. So from Lemken side, it's like we want to automate our implements. For us, it doesn't matter what unit is there. So it could be anything. So our intelligence will be on the implement. So the implement will tell the tractor or like an autonomous vehicle what to do. So all the intention will be on the implement side for Lemken.
Well, Frank, thanks a lot for joining us. Enjoy the rest of your Agritechnica, and we'll talk to you again soon.
Yeah, thanks.